Ever stop to consider how Google has transformed your daily life? Imagine a day without Google. Feels impossible, right? Google has seamlessly woven itself into our routines, helping us navigate our world, communicate, and absorb information. From the early morning Gmail check, the YouTube workout, to finding that perfect dinner recipe on Google search, it's almost as if Google has become a synonym for internet. From a simple search engine to a global tech giant, let's take a look at Google's journey. In 1998, two Stanford PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, launched Google. Their mission was simple, yet ambitious: to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. In its early days, Google was a humble search engine, but its rapid growth and relentless innovation quickly set it apart. As Google grew, so did its range of services. In 2004, Google introduced Gmail, a web-based email service that revolutionized online communication. The following year, Google Maps brought the world to our fingertips. And in 2007, the Android OS was born, transforming the mobile landscape. In 2006, Google made a bold move, acquiring YouTube, the video-sharing platform that has since become a global sensation. 2 years later, Google Chrome was launched, further solidifying Google's presence in our digital lives. All these developments culminated in 2015, when Google restructured itself under Alphabet Inc., a collection of companies with Google as its leading subsidiary. But how does Google make its billions? Let's explore. Google's primary revenue stream is advertising through Google Sites and its network. It's a global powerhouse that has branched out beyond search. Advertising platforms like AdWords and AdSense play a pivotal role in Google's business model, generating a significant chunk of revenue. But Google isn't just about search and ads. The tech giant also offers cloud services, challenging competitors with its innovative solutions. In the hardware arena, Google's products like Pixel smartphones and Nest smart home devices are gaining traction. And let's not forget YouTube, a platform that revolutionized video sharing and consumption around the world. Let's talk numbers. Google's financial performance has been on a steady upward trajectory. Its revenue trends show a consistent growth pattern, reflecting the company's profitability. Google's stock performance has also been impressive, rewarding investors with substantial returns. Google's journey has been nothing short of revolutionary. But what's next for this tech behemoth? Google continues to push the boundaries of technology. Its relentless innovation and research and development are paving the way for advancements in artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles like Waymo, cloud computing, and hardware. Google's robust market position is set to be bolstered by the anticipated growth in AI, cloud services, and digital advertising. The future of Google is a fascinating prospect, full of potential and promise. Google's story is a testament to the power of a simple idea and its execution. So, how will Google shape your world in the future?